I'm about to use my AirPods Pro 2 to take a clinical grade hearing test that Apple has now released on iOS 18. And being blind, I'm a little nervous because I use my hearing a lot. So if my hearing has gotten worse, that could be bad. I may need a hearing eye dog instead of a seeing eye dog. Sorry, Daisy, you may be put out of business. All right, here we go. I'm going to put in the Pro 2s.
Find a quiet place where you can focus and take the test. AirPods will check the fit in each ear and measure background noise. During the test, listen carefully and tap the screen each time you hear a tone.
Maybe I have like ultra hearing. I'm gonna play a sample so I know what it sounds like. It's exactly like an actual hearing test, like it's the same sound. Daisy, we gotta test your ears.
Double tap the screen when you hear a tone.
Okay. I was like holding my breath while doing that. Okay, test complete. All right, show results. Okay, left ear, little to no loss. Right ear, little to no loss. Oh, hell yeah, I still got it. I'm still Daredevil. Show details. What kind of details we have? 2 dB HL for my left and 1 dB HL for my right. I don't know what that means. If anyone else knows, let me know in the comment. So my left is like slightly, like 1 decibel worse than my right. Interesting. All right, well, that was very relieving to know that my ears are still okay. I always wear earplugs when I go to concerts, but yeah, I'm glad I have this feature now because I will be using it, semi-regularly. Let me know if you guys use it down in the comments. I'm curious what your results were.